Well, Khalistani sympathizer has now come to the rescue of Deep Sidhu. Toolkit's M.O. Dhaliwal has now tweeted, and I quote, "Our brother and activist Deep Sidhu was arrested for his presence in the farmers' protest at Red Fort. Dissent against largest democracy in the world lands you in jail, where you are likely to experience abuse and torture." Remember, M.O. Dhaliwal's role as far as the toolkit is concerned, the toolkit which has largely been viewed as nothing but a propaganda, something that has also now been discredited by the Prime Minister. Prime Minister, in fact, raised this entire issue about how there was a concerted effort to basically malign India's image. Let me go across to my colleague Amandeep, who's joining us on the phone line. Amandeep, now you have the Khalistani sympathizer M.O. Dhaliwal coming to the rescue of Deep Sidhu. What does it essentially talk about, this entire nexus between the Khalistanis and people like Deep Sidhu?
Look, Shravan, the soft corner of M.O. Dhaliwal clearly indicates that somewhere down the line, Deep Sidhu was actually engaged to these forces who are running their propaganda for Khalistan. And just because M.O. Dhaliwal is one person behind the toolkit, and in fact, we have listened and witnessed the speeches he had given in the English in other countries, that actually this is not the main course of agenda, that the agitation is not just for the farmers. This is basically behind the curtain is for the Khalistan. So just raise your antennas up. Very soon, very timely, we will get our main focus through this agitation. So M.O. Dhaliwal is supporting the Deep Sidhu and opposing his arrest. It is crystal clear that Deep Sidhu is being driven by those forces who are actually wanted to disturb the law and order situation of the Punjab as well as this nation, trying to pitch their own agenda of Khalistan, just because from the very first day it was apprehended that these forces has already tied up their shoes the moment the agitation started from Punjab moving towards the Delhi. It was apprehended by the Punjab Police, Centre Intelligence Agencies, and in fact the Haryana Police also. So now these facts and these statements are somewhere down the line proving all these agendas, and in fact Deep Sidhu's interrogation is equally very important. He is the person who can disclose this entire network, how the chain has been gone down from Delhi to Punjab, and how he was working, how he got engaged, and what kind of support he was receiving, either financially or motivational or manpower, and what kind of network he was running, how he get engaged into this. And most important thing is that what is the future plan of this entire agenda, just because whatever had happened, that was controlled by the Delhi police and the union government. But what exactly is going to happen is nobody knows about it. So the future planning is actually very important, just because the Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh is equally concerned about this entire agitation. In all party meeting, we remember that he quoted that he recalled the situation of Operation Blue Star, when the agitation goes around 2 months long with 42 demands, and later the army pitched in and Operation Blue Star happened. In fact, he also connected the dots with Operation Blue Star to this agitation. So somewhere down the line, Deep Sidhu is the one person who can actually reveal the entire conspiracy and even the future planning. That is the most important thing. Yes, Shravan.
Well, thank you very much, Amandeep, for getting us the latest as far as this recent entire support that has now come in from M.O. Dhaliwal for Deep Sidhu. It remains to be seen how many more are now going to come out in the open and support the instigator, Deep Sidhu.